days stand between me and a new shoulder. For today, I got a text message. I got yesterday about my lab work, my lab appointment being canceled because of some problems with the building, I guess. And they wanted me to go to another town to get my lab work done. Well, that other town is like another 30 miles south of where I was going anyway, so I'm going to go east instead to Temecula, which is saving me a half hour one way, so that's an hour's worth of driving, just to get a blood work done. So it is absolutely pretty out here today. It's a little nippy. So I'm hoping by the time next week comes around, when it's time for me to go to the hospital, that I'm not going to have any problems with the roads going into Temecula. That's where the hospital is. So I am going to video all the way to Temecula in spots, not the whole time, but to show you what I got to go through. It's okay, it's kind of fun, but it's still a little sketchy at times. So I'm going to be heading off right now, as a matter of fact. So here's my car, and this guy is over there somewhere. Here we go. I am hoping that all the roads, well, not all the roads, I am hoping that all of the crossings are okay to go across. The question always is, will Sky be home when I get home? Required masks. And now we are going home. This is now turned into Deleuze Road. Deleuze Road goes all the way back to my place, and if we hang a left right here, we can go golfing. But there's no swinging a golf club with a shoulder, that's for sure. So I'm gonna kind of let you ride with me all the way home. but I'm going to speed it up a little bit at places, and I'll slow it down when we come to a stream. Set the way I like to see it. Pretty gnarly right in there. Wow, I can't believe I recorded that whole thing without having any coffee. I'm starving. I haven't had anything to eat or drink, and I'm missing my coffee terribly. So that's the first thing. Heck with cleaning right now. I want some coffee. Well, there's something missing here. It's white and really furry. And I'll bet you she got close to her home and they roped her up. Question is, will I be able to make a cup of coffee one-handed? So I'm going to try. I've already put milk in my coffee cup and it's not dirty, it's just got oatmeal in it, and I'm not going to rinse it out, I'm going to drink it. So I just had a thing of oatmeal, I was starving, and I'm going to try to do this one-handed. My right hand is actually kind of tied to my side like it's in a sling. I got to get this out. How am I going to do this? All right. Okay. You know, I compost, so everything in here, it goes outside in the compost. Put this up here. Let's see. Put this here. Hold this like this. Okay. Yeah, I'm cheap. I don't buy the pods. I can do that. I can imagine that's going to work. Okay, that's going to work. And I got to put coffee in it. Okay. Oh, I make a little mess there. Okay. Yeah. All right, now goes lid. Put it in my coffee pot. And push the button. Okay. Close this up. Put it away over here. Now, I think I can make coffee. So, that's a good thing. Hi, I'm back home. Had my coffee, had some oatmeal, and I forgot to come out here and get rid of compost in here. And we'll do that tomorrow. We'll mix this thing around. There's an old pie in there. There's a bunch of stuff that needs to be kind of stirred up. And Miss Sky, where'd she go? Oh, she's back. But she came back with a big rope tied around her. And she dragged it all the way over here. And they tightened up her leash. So I'll see what's going to happen. Maybe I'll go and talk to them. They may want to sell her to me. I don't know. Stay tuned. But that's the end of the video today. Thanks for watching. No, I wouldn't leave you all hanging. Sky's going to do just fine tonight. I'll bring her in. She's going to have a nice dinner. And I'm going to be looking forward to this thing here being repaired, turning into a happy shoulder like this, and old pain go away.